So, good evening, children. Once again, like I had introduced to you, I had told you how to hold the pencil. So, when you want to do something like really light, just make sure your pencil is, your fingers are right behind the pencil. You want it darker, you come closer. Then you'll automatically see that there is slight pressure and the shade is becoming darker. You want it darker, you come closer. Then again you will find that the shade is becoming slightly darker. Again you hold your fingers closer to the pencil, it gets darker, and when you want it like really dark, okay, then you kind of come very close. So here it is. Okay, so I'm going to quickly show you a box where I am going from light to dark. So here I'm holding it at the back. I leave this space white. Okay, so I will do this and then I will keep getting closer to the pencil, and then I will get closer, and then I will get closer and closer and closer and closer and closer. So you're seeing you're going from light to dark. The same thing you can do is from dark to light. So let's say we start with absolutely dark, going close to my pencil, then going behind, taking my fingers back, taking it further back. See, automatically the pressure is less, it's becoming lighter and lighter and lighter and lighter and lighter and lighter. Okay, so this is basically your technique of holding a pencil. So do not think of dirtying the page. Do whatever you want. You want to doodle, you do doodle. You want to keep doing this, keep doing this. You want to draw lines, first try and see that you can draw a straight line. You can do this. You can go round and round and round. You keep doodling. Don't worry about, I want to see your practice. I don't want to see how neat your work is, whether your shading has gone out of the box or not. I do not want to see that at all. I just want to see all that you can do. So now I'm quickly going to take you to all the practices that I need you to do for the next 2 days. So first we are going to do hatching. Today I am going to teach you 3 different techniques: hatching, cross hatching, and scrumble. Scrumble is great fun. It is one of my favorites because I love scribbling. So hatching is very simple. You will do very light, then go to dark, then go to dark and go to darkest. Okay, cross hatching is very simple again. You start with light, go to dark, 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 dark. And then again, because it's light here, you have to go light here. Okay, light, 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 light. Okay, so dark side will have dark, light side will have light. Scrumble, or I call it doodling. I love doodling. So you just take your pencil, you go very light from the back, and then go in front, and then go front, and then go make it darker and darker and darker and darker. Okay, so this is how it is. So I am going to send you the 3 pictures: hatching, cross hatching and scrumble. Today I want you to practice as much as you can. Don't spoil your drawing, good expensive drawing books. Take any paper, keep them together. Just make sure that you're sitting, you have a small pad, you have whatever. Do not use an eraser. I will immediately catch you girls and boys if you'll use an eraser. Okay, so now I'm going to meet you on after 3 days. We're going to have a next class where I'm going to finish the different techniques of sketching, and I'm going to see how you children are doing. So all right, bye bye. It was wonderful. So let me see. One more thing, you can do boxes in different ways. You can make one large box and make small squares. Do not make very big squares, please. Make small squares, otherwise you will get very tired. Or you can also leave a gap and then make another small box, leave a gap, make another small box, leave a gap, make another small box. So basically what I'm doing is I'm using this box, then I'm making it darker, then I'm making it darker, and I'm making it darker. So you have to have 8 boxes like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Keep this very light. Keep this slightly darker. This becomes darker. This becomes slightly darker. This becomes darker. I go closer to the pencil. Let's just see how it is, how my fingers are moving, and here it is. If you feel that you can go darker, make another box and go like really dark. Okay, so let's have fun, and I'll see you in 2 days' time. I will give you the next date of sketching and we will take it further. Thank you. Bye-bye. See you.